Literally had the most intense morning. Basically, I was trying to transfer some footage on my laptop and it was like work related footage, and the memory card like fell out from the pouch that I had and it fell in the sofa. और सोफे के ये जो साइड में जगह होती है ना, यहाँ चला गया. So naturally I put my hands in but I couldn't find it, so I panicked. तो हमने सोफ़ा उल्टा किया, उसके ये पिन्स निकाले और फिर मेमोरी कार्ड को अंदर से बरामद किया. Literally the most intense 45 minutes of my life. I'm so glad they're over. I've transferred the footage on my laptop and I am feeling a lot better now. Oh, so as you can tell from the title of this video, I am getting my hair colored and I have really dark hair. They're like a dark brown, very dark brown color, and I am hoping to get like a dusty brown color, like imagine Taylor Hill. That's the ultimate color goal. So let's see if we can make that happen. I'm going to Mariam Asghar and I'm running kind of late, so we'll talk when I get there. So I'm at the salon and I've had like the deepest discussion about hair, and so far I've decided I don't want to do any bleach because bleach se obviously baal thode dry ho jate hain and I am not someone who wants to get into that. So I'm thinking maybe like without bleach I can go as light as this, a level 7. So this on the top, and like it slowly gradually lightens at the bottom, and let's see how we can achieve that. We're gonna do a patch test first, so wish me luck. I told my brother that I'm going like this color and a dip dye, and he was freaked out. He's like, no, don't do it, you're gonna look horrible. So he thinks I'm getting like a green dip dye, but in real I'm not actually getting it. So I'm excited and I'm also very nervous. I'm gonna do a strand test, and this is Mariam and we're checking what color we can actually go for on my hair. Nervous. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. Okay, update guys. So I'm going for like a base color with a little bit of balayage. I have been persuaded that it's gonna look good, so I'm trusting her and I'm gonna do it. So far I have like a strand test happening and I've changed into this gown. My shirt's at the back right over there.
बिन छुए छू लिए हैं तूने मुझको दिए हैं प्यार के ये तराने जाने यहाँ ये जो हो रहा है कुछ अजब हो रहा है क्या यही प्यार का.
Guys, as you can see I look a little crazy right now, but hopefully it's gonna turn on alright. I look like as if I have a mane. The color is fully on and now we are waiting for the wash. Yes guys, moment of truth, we're gonna wash it. Still working on the hair. It's been probably like 4 hours and I'm really excited to see what it turns out to be. So wish me luck. This is the finished look. I love it. It's so nice. Very natural, exactly what I wanted. Love. So I am home. Bubs absolutely loves the color. Bubs, show it from the back. Bubs, do you actually like it? How much would you give it out of 10? Huh? 7? I would give it an 11. But let me know what you guys think. I absolutely loved my experience with Mariam. She's so sweet, very nice, knows a lot about hair, and she gives really good advice. And I will leave links to her Instagram down below, so if you want to check her Instagram out, then you can. And I actually got like the base change with a little bit of balayage.
I'm eyeing your colors.
Okay, well, that's really close for eyeing my colors. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next week's video. Bye!